In this video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a user in Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, you will first need to access Google Workspace. Open your favorite web browser and head over to the Google Workspace website. You'll find it offers a variety of tools designed to enhance productivity and collaboration within your team. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to find and click on the admin console, which serves as the control center for all your management needs within the platform. After you've entered the admin console, navigate to the Google Workspace dashboard. This dashboard is the command hub, granting you access to manage users, services, and other settings essential for your organization. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with this area if you haven't done so already, as it plays a pivotal role in effectively managing your Google Workspace environment. Now, to proceed with archiving a user, locate the directory option. Clicking here will open up a list of all the users you currently have within your organization. Think of this step as the starting point from which you'll select the specific user you wish to archive. This is where the magic begins as you move closer to optimizing your team's collaborative efforts. Once you've accessed the directory, the next logical step is to click on Users. Here you will get a comprehensive view of all individuals who have access to your organization's Google Workspace tools. At this point, take advantage of search functionality if necessary to quickly zero in on the person you need to manage. After spotting the right user, the next task is selecting them. A simple click will reveal various actions you can take concerning the selected individual. This step is crucial to specify which user you are aiming to archive or take action upon, so make sure you've got the right person. Finally, with the user selected, you'll see the option to suspend user. Clicking on this will effectively archive the user. Suspending a user is a responsible act, as it maintains the integrity of the organization while pausing an individual's access. Note that this action doesn't delete user data, ensuring any valuable work correspondence remains intact and accessible for record keeping. There you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on archiving a user in Google Workspace. In just a few clicks, you can efficiently manage users, ensuring your organization runs smoothly and securely. Take these steps with confidence, knowing your team's interactions and data stay safe and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in streamlining your Google Workspace management tasks.